All right, good morning, fellow campers. Here we are on day 2 at the Sable River Canoe Campground in Grayling, Michigan. We're going to give you some shots of how we set up last night. We got done probably around 10:30, 11 o'clock. So we were up till about 5 this morning at the campfire, and then we got about 5 hours of sleep, and we're feeling good. So I've got breakfast on the stove right now, and it's going to be more like brunch. The camper does come with a rear tent. However, we haven't had the inclination to set that up yet. And but we've made a few modifications here, as you can see on the awning. We hung some sheets on the awning to give some privacy, because the only problem with this boondock is obviously you can't stand up in it. So trying to get dressed in there is a little difficult. And then we set up some shelter around here, and then we have a shower tent there as well. So until the next segment, we'll see you then. All right, hello once again, fellow campers. What we're doing here is testing our shower setup. Okay, the new camp comes with the hose, as you can see, extended from the camper. We replaced the nozzle with a garden nozzle that has different settings. Obviously, one is a shower setting. If I don't perfect this, my wife is probably not going to go camping with me, because you know how the ladies are. They've got to have the amenities of home. So here goes. We're going to test this out. It's got an adjustable on-off lever. We have added hot water to the tank that we boiled on the stove. And here it is. Enough to get you nice and wet, lather up. All right. I'm going to finish showering. Hello again, campers. This new camp tag comes equipped with an air conditioner. And it's hot and humid here in Grayling today. And my camping brother, he's going to go play Dory the Explorer. And he's going to do some exploring. While he's exploring, I'm going to take a nap, because we were up late last night. We were up till 5 in the morning. And we'll probably be up till 5 in the morning again tonight. And it's nice and cool in here, so I'm going to lay down and take a nap. So till our next segment, see you then. Doing a little dinner prep tonight. We're going to have some asparagus on the cast iron griddle that is seasoned with the bacon grease. This is going to be really good. What I'm doing here is cutting off the bottoms, and I'm going to pull off some of the outer leaves, and I'm going to feed it to the chipmunk that we have running around here. He's around here somewhere. Was in our wood pile and was exploring our camp. And then we're going to have some butterflied sirloin steaks. We're going to do a little squash with this. And, of course, potatoes with what we call Dutch oven sauce. You could use your imagination on what Dutch oven sauce is. But stay tuned to the next segment when dinner is more closely prepared, shall we say.